today we're going to start with different forms of water and changing water. Let's skip to our different forms of water page. If you will, please read along with me so that you can practice pronunciation of the words. Different forms of water. Liquid water is the most common state of Earth's water. It takes the shape of the container it is in. Liquid water is always moving. Even if you can't see it move, it flows in rivers and streams and it crashes as ocean waves. You can see the container in the picture, holding the water on the inside. Notice it in the text, it says liquid water is always moving, even if you can't see it move. The water molecules inside the bowl are continuing to move around, even though we do not see them move. Not all water is liquid. When liquid water gets very cold, it freezes to form ice. Ice is another state of water, solid water. Ice can float on liquid water. People form ice into different shapes. Artists even carve ice to make sculptures. See the picture of the sculpture. This is an artist forming the ice into the sculpture. Much of Earth's frozen water is at the North and South poles, Earth's coldest areas. Remember when we studied maps, North is at the top and South is at the bottom. Some of Earth's water is in an invisible state as a gas called water vapor. While it's always invisible, water vapor is all around us. Changing water. Earth's water is always changing from one state to another. When frozen water is heated, it melts and becomes liquid water. When liquid water is cooled, it freezes and becomes ice. Liquid water can become a gas, too. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up on a hot day? Energy from the sun changed the liquid to a gas in a process called evaporation. Water evaporates from oceans, rivers, lakes, and puddles all over the world. When water vapor in the air cools down, it changes from a gas to a liquid. This process is called condensation. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water formed by condensation. The tiny drops stick together, creating larger, heavier drops. Once they're large enough, they fall to the ground as rain or another type of precipitation.